What's up guys, good morning. So I'm at ARAI Tekdi Pune and we are here up and early at 6 AM to see the sunrise, and the view is incredible. The last time I saw such an incredible view was in Scotland, Edinburgh, but trust me guys, this view is as good as that view.
That feels good!
So guys, this is the view I was talking about. The last time I've seen the sky so incredible was in Scotland, Edinburgh. Can't believe it. We actually haven't found the proper path, to be honest. But yeah. Whew. Alright, so guys, it's time to set up the tripod and stuff. That's Sayemi, by the way. She's gonna help me out with everything. I'm not sure if you can see her properly. Anyway. Alright guys, so I'll show you a couple of freestyle tricks now and time lapse as well.
Hi guys, it's a beautiful morning. You can see the view, it's amazing and it's a good time we are having here.
So she has started with photography recently and she is testing her camera and a couple of shots. So basically the view looks something like this. I'm taking a time lapse on my cell phone as well. So guys, I hope you guys are ready for a couple of freestyle tricks. Let's go. Those were a couple of freestyle tricks, freestyle shots for you. I'm going to show you a time lapse in a couple of minutes, but then the view is incredible. I'm sure you guys are enjoying it, and I haven't seen such a beautiful view in a long time in Pune, and it's unbelievable guys, seriously. I mean, look at how beautiful it is. It's been raining since a couple of days, but then now the sun is probably going to be out in a couple of minutes, and I don't know man, it makes me feel so good. It's looking better than Scotland for sure. So yeah, Pune is better than Scotland. So what's up guys, like I said, I've already shown you the sunrise. If you cannot see it properly, see it right now. And also a couple of freestyle tricks that also I've shown. By the way, that's Sayemi. She's trying to hide.
Hi guys, it's a beautiful morning and we are in Pune and I love my city for this very reason. Monsoons are amazing here and it's an amazing sunrise that we are witnessing right now.
You can see that. Alright guys, so that's it for now. After this, we're gonna go out for breakfast. It's her treat. So guys, it has started drizzling a bit, and this is the quarry part. Actually, we can go down there all the way to the water, but I'm not sure if we're gonna go down there or not. Like I said, it's drizzling, so maybe we'll just go have our breakfast now. But look at the view, it's so beautiful, so peaceful, isn't it? No response from Sayemi. It is, yeah. Alright guys, so I'll see you guys in a while.